Happy 2024, everyone. Year of the Chinese Dragon. What's on your list for this year? Is it buying a new air conditioning system? Because if it is, I can help you. We have a revolutionary air conditioning system coming out and hitting the market this year that is going to just change everything you know about air conditioning. It's called an inverter system. And some people might go, oh, we've heard of that. We have one in a ductless split system. You're absolutely correct. That's what makes those systems so energy efficient, so quiet, is its inverter technology. And one of the great things about our manufacturers is they've taken that technology and put it into the big units that we use in our homes. So now I can help people reduce their power bills significantly. Super, super quiet. You'll never even hear it running. Super energy efficient. All the great things that everybody wants for their home, we can make it happen. So give us a call in April or May. Let's get that AC system tuned up and ready to go. Let's make sure that you don't have any issues and you're ready for the brutal summers that we get to experience every year.